Yeah, we can do the whole island today itself. So people, we are going for the Koh Chang island tour, surrounding the whole island, and this is introduce yourself.
So ugly.
Joella, she is from Sweden, and we are going today to the waterfalls, beaches, and some shipwreck, which she says nice. Let's see. For the record, people, the waterfall here is 200 bahts, and our backpackers can't go in. That's too expensive.
I think it's 100.
Okay, like that is fine. I mean, that's unique. Like waterfall, there's also no water in the waterfall, so like we are not doing anything wrong. We are at the Pearl Beach. What did you say it is?
Rocks.
Yeah, rocks. Not for you.
No pearls.
She's like person, so it'll be hard for her on the rocks. Whiskey and the rocks. Yeah, people, there's Pearl Beach. You want piggyback? And it's a super rocky beach. There are big rocks too. Yeah, okay. We're going through the rocks to the highest point.
Viewpoint.
Must be a view. It's nice. It's an influencer move, you know. And that's it. Okay, that's a pretty viewpoint of the white beach. Oh. It's a very uphill road. Wait, what? Ooh. So this is Khlong what? Yeah, Khlong Nonsi Waterfall, and there's literally nobody around except us, and there's no water either. I understand why there's nobody here. Oh shit, okay. That's it. That's it. Yep, that's the waterfall.
If it were any water here, it would be
Yeah.
beautiful. So you can walk up here.
Yeah. There are fishes and the water is clean at least. Okay, there is some adventure here, people. We have rope climbing, but she didn't climb with the ropes, so it's alright. Well, it's a waterfall adventure, at least for the day.
It's free.
Yeah.
I reckon if the water was running, it would be very nice.
Yeah. Top, I think. There's a way to the top. Let's see. Ooh. Maybe. There's a pool if anybody wants to swim. Well, there are three ways here, one to the bottom, one to the right, and to the top. That looks better. Well, it's a very pretty stream and clear. I think they take the water from here for the city. And it goes way higher. So let's go. Oh. There is no more water here, but I think that is the end fall. There's way more further up. Oh yeah.
I don't think we can go any higher.
Yeah. That is the final pool for us. Oh, it's... Yeah, brother. And this is the end of our waterfall tour. It was nice. No water, but more. We are at a lunch or brunch place, and she drinks with straw in from above. I'm going to have a noodle soup with duck. Nice place. And this is our noodle soup with duck and being fantastic. Nice view. And now we are at the something fishing village and just going to the end of the wharf. Let's see how it is. This lady hasn't consented to be on the video, so only her back. And we are the only two people in the fishing village somehow. This island is busy, but not many people around. At the touristy spots, the waterfall, nobody. Here, no one. And this is a very small private beach. Okay. It is a small beach. For private privateers only. And we continue. Oh, see another white bottle with water. Oh, you can see the wharf. What about everything? Oh, there's a nice cabin. It's actually with stairs. Nice, let's go. Which way? Let's see. Yeah, this way. It's better. There's a cute little house or temple, I don't know. Maybe a temple.
Yes. It's a little temple.
Oh, you're without a sleeper, so you can continue. It's all right.
I don't know if I want to go in there.
Okay. Yeah, it's a little temple for the ocean gods. Nice. Holy shit. The gods blessed her. She feels like flying now. Rocks are spiky and she is barefoot. We walked quite far and now there it is. So now we are headed back. The beach looked fine, but it was a bit too far and harder to reach with smaller stones. They're sharp. We went a long way. Still walking back. Yeah, I think so. We are in the fishing village now and you can take boat rides. It's a nice greenery around and restaurants to eat. And a fun place to be probably. But there are not many people around. Best part about beaches, ice cream. You want chocolate?
Yes, please.
Coconut ice cream with chocolate. And we are finally at the Long Beach. You can rent out a bungalow here, it seems. Yeah. That's the fuck you bar. Or is the bartender who's like, you know what? And that's the Long Beach. You can play volleyball.